Rachel from Vancouver Community Library. Today I wanted to make something with you using our Summer at Your Library Experience Kit. Okay, and it doesn't have to be a very detailed drawing, just to give you a framework as to what still needs to be done as you're working. So there is my idea. Now I'm going to start making each piece. When you open this kit up, it becomes a planning sheet for your activity. At the top of the planning sheet is a place to put your name. I'm going to write Rachel. And then there are 3 boxes. There's a box for materials, a box for ideas, and a box for your blueprint. So I'm going to list out the materials I have with me, which includes the pen I'm working with, scissors, string, glue, paper, felt fabric, and I got a magnet in the mail, and it's kind of ugly, so I'm going to reuse that magnet in our activity today. And my idea has been inspired by a project I've been doing all summer long, and that is making moths out of recycled materials. I made some moths out of cardboard before, but today I'm going to make it out of these materials that we have. And I decided, because I have this magnet, I'm going to make it a fridge magnet. So I'm going to make a fridge magnet moth. And so I'm going to list what I'm going to need to make that moth. So I'm going to need to have 4 wings, a body, and 2 antennae, which I think I misspelled, but that's okay. I know what I'm doing. And let's see. Oh, and definitely some decoration for those wings. Okay, and now in my blueprint, I'm going to sketch out what I want my moth to look like. It doesn't have to be a very detailed drawing, just to give you a framework as to what still needs to be done as you're working. So there is my idea. Now I'm going to start making each piece. So using my paper, I think that's going to be the base of my wings. Two things to be identical is, if your paper is thin enough, I like to fold it in half and then just cut it out once, and that way when you take it apart it'll be 2 identical pieces. So there's my paper folded, and I'm going to cut out one of the wings, which will become 2 wings. And then I'm actually going to flip one over to become my mirror. I'm going to do the same thing for the bottom. Now I need to cut out the body and the antennae. I'm going to use this scrap piece of paper. It's already folded in half to make my antennae. I think I'm going to actually use this as a contrasting color and my background for my moth. I need to arrange my pieces so they all fit. Okay, so now that they're all glued on, I'm gonna let those dry for a second, and then I'm gonna come up with how I want to make the eye sort of decoration. And I think I'm gonna use the string that I have left over to do that part. So using my glue, I'm going to draw out where I would like to place my string and then just tack that on top. This part can get a little messy, but art is often messy, which to me is a lot of fun. Lastly, I'm going to use the magnet that I got in the mail, cut out a small piece because I don't need all of it, and glue that to the back. Looking at my moth, I realized I feel like there's a little more decoration I want to do. So I'm going to use my pen and I'm going to add some details to the antenna. A little bit of